Hey there, kids. This is Reveal Math, lesson 7.1. Let's take a look together. We're starting to look right now at how you can divide by multiples of 10. So it says this, you can use place value, and that just is what digit is in which place, to divide a multiple of 10. Okay, so a multiple of 10 would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, counting by tens, but also you come across 10, 100, and 1000. These are like really easy numbers to use, okay? Now we can start off right here with the basic math fact. You know that 4 times 8 is 32, right? 4 times 8 is 32. Now the opposite or the inverse of multiplication is division. So if 4 times 8 is 32, then we know that 32 divided up into 4 groups will give you 8 in each group. So 32 divided by 4 equals 8. Now you can keep extending on this right here. If you know that 32 divided by 4 is 8, well, you could say that 32 tens divided by 4 equals 8 tens. It's just like saying 32 grapes divided up into 4 groups will give you 8 grapes in each group. We're just talking about tens here. But so if you're looking at that, and if you're looking at it in numbers instead of words, we have 32 right there, and 10 means tens. So 320 is really 32 tens. Divided by 4 equals 8 tens, okay, or 80, all right? So 32 divided by 4 equals 8. 32 tens or 320 divided by 4 equals 80, all right? Well, we could do it also with hundreds. 32 hundreds divided by 4 equals 8 hundreds, okay? Well, we said that 2 zeros equals the word hundreds. So this is 32 right there. Do you see it? 32. And then 2 more zeros makes hundreds, 32 hundreds or 3,200 divided by 4 equals 8. And then we have 2 zeros. That means hundreds, 8 hundreds. Okay. And then here's the last one, 32 thousands. Now, thousands, whenever you say the word thousands, that's the same thing as 3 zeros. So 32 thousands divided by 4 equals 8 thousands. Okay. So we have 32 right there. Do you see it? 3 zeros means thousands, 32 thousands divided by 4 equals 8, and then we have 3 zeros, which means thousands. Kids, right now you're learning how to divide by multiples of 10. Let's keep looking. It says this, find the quotient, and we know that the quotient is the answer to a division problem, right? Okay, well, it says this, 63 ones divided by 9 equals how many ones? Well, we know that something times 9, we can go this way, something times 9 equals 63, okay? So 63 divided by 9 must equal this. All right, well, what times 9 equals 63? It's a basic math fact, right? 7, okay? 7 times 9 is 63, so 63 divided by 9 equals 7. Now we can come down here to the next one right here. And they just changed the word. Instead of ones, they're using the word tens, okay? 63 tens divided by 9 equals 7 tens. Now 7 tens looks like this. It's a 7. And whenever we say the word tens, we're talking about 1 0. So that's 7D, all right? And here's the last one right here. 63 something divided by 9 equals 7 hundreds. Well, it's going to be hundreds right here also, 63 hundreds. Now, if you wanted to, you could just put 2 zeros because we know that anytime that there are 2 zeros, that means hundreds. Okay, and so the answer would be 6,300. Kids, right now you're learning how to divide by multiples of 10. All right, how can you complete the equation? An equation is a number sentence, okay? So it says this, you have 36 ones divided by 9 equals how many ones? Right, that equals 4, because 4 times 9 is 36, okay? Now they change it to tens, and they say, well, 36 tens divided by 9 equals 4 tens. And if you're saying tens, that's 1 0, like 4, there's tens, 4 tens. That means 40. Okay, now this one says hundreds right here, so that's going to be 2 zeros. So 36 something divided by 9 equals 4 hundreds. Well, 36 hundreds, you could write the word right here, or I like to just put 2 zeros because that means hundreds, and you get 3,600. Kids, you're learning how to divide by multiples of 10. So here they give you one last example right here, and they say 180 divided by 3. Well, that's the same thing as 18 tens divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6, but since it says tens right here, we have to have tens right here, and you get 6 tens, which is 60. Now here it is again, 18, but this time they have 2 zeros, so that means hundreds, divided by 3. Well, 18 divided by 3 is 6. And then you have 2 zeros here, so you have to have 2 zeros here, and that is 6 hundreds. 18 hundreds divided by 3 equals 6 hundreds. And the last one here is thousands. 18, 3 zeros means thousands, divided by 3 equals 6. We have 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to have 3 here, 1, 2, 3, and that's 6,000. Kids, you're learning how to divide by multiples of 10. Okay, today in class we're looking at pages 209 and 210 in our workbook. In the practice pages, we're doing our 63 and 64, and you're learning how to divide by multiples of 10. All right, well, they give you a word problem here, and it says this. Let me get my highlighter. A school orders 420 math books, okay? Math textbooks. The textbooks arrive in 6 boxes with an equal number of books in each box. How many books are in each box? Okay, well, you could set it up like this. It's going to be 420, okay, divided into 6 boxes, okay, and then you're going to get your answer. Well, it's the same thing as 42 divided by 6. It's 42 tens divided by 6. How many tens is that going to be? I'm going to leave that for you to figure out. Kids, you're learning how to divide by multiples of 10. If you need help, come and see us. We will help you. Otherwise, you have a great day. We'll talk to you again later. Bye-bye.